everyone, welcome to another snuggler tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to crochet this cute mouse, and in this video I will show you how to crochet head and arms. Now I'm gonna show you how to crochet head. So start with magic ring, use 5mm crochet hook and then 7 single crochets into the magic ring. And this is first part of tutorial, and second part is already in my YouTube channel, and the link for the body will be in description of this video. And there will be also everything what you'll need for this project. So I'm using plushie yarn, it's chenille yarn. It's called Dolphin Baby from Himalaya. It's 100 grams and 120 meters. And you will need 2 balls of this yarn. Okay, tighten the magic ring. And now I'm going to join the round with a slip stitch. So count it from the right side. It's 6th stitch. And make a slip stitch. In next round, increase every stitch. So make 2 single crochets in every stitch all the way around. At the end of the second round, you need to have 14 stitches. In next round, we are not going to increase, so make just 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So you should make 14 single crochets. And mark the start, because we are working in a round and you need to know where is the beginning. In next round, we need to increase again. So I'm going to increase the first stitch. So make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Mark the first stitch. And I'm going to make 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. In next stitch, make just 1 single crochet. And this section, you have to repeat 6 more times. So 7 times. You will increase in this round in total. So you will increase every second stitch around. Next round will be without change, without increase. So make just 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. And we are making the front part of mouse, the nose. Now we have to increase again, so I'm going to increase the first stitch. And then in the next 2 stitches, make just 1 single crochet. It means you will increase every 3rd stitch all the way around. Now it will be round without increase. Make just 1 single crochet in each stitch around. In next round, we are going to increase every 4th stitch all the way around. So I always increase the first stitch. So I have to make 2 single crochets into the first stitch, then 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. And this section I will repeat 6 more times, so 7 times in total. You will increase 7 times in total. Next round is round without increase. Make just 1 single crochet in each stitch around. And this is last round of increasing. So increase the first stitch, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. I have 1 and 2. In next 4 stitches, make just 1 single crochet. Now increase. So in this round, you have to increase every 5th stitch all the way around. Now it's gonna be easier because we are going to make just 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around and make 5 rounds in total. 5 rounds of single crochets, 5 rounds without chains. So you can pause the video and then meet me back again when you will have done 5 rounds of single crochets. Okay, now it's time for decrease. So I'm going to decrease at the beginning of the round. So I have decreased. Use stitch marker and then make 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches. So in this round you have to decrease every 5th stitch all the way around, and you need to decrease 7 times in total, 7 times in this round. In next round we are going to decrease again, and we are going to decrease every 4th stitch. Okay, now you can place safety eyes. If you want, you can use eyelashes as me. So I have pad with eyelashes, and I will place safety eyes between 7th and 10th round. You can put between eye and the pad with eyelashes piece of fleece. Okay, now we can continue working, and before you will start to crochet another round, you should stuff the mouth, the nose of mouse with hollow fiber firmly. In next round, I'm going to decrease every 3rd stitch all the way around. In this round, I will increase 7 times in total. So I have decreased at the beginning of the round, use stitch marker again, and then make just 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. So I have 2 single crochets and now decrease again. So continue working and meet me back again at the end of this round. In next round we have to decrease every second stitch all the way around. Okay, stuff the head with hollow fiber firmly before you close the hole, and now we are going to decrease 7 times. Okay, this is how it looks like, and now we can close the hole with a yarn needle. So leave the tail a little longer and use yarn needle, and if you need to put more hollow fiber inside the head, do it before you close the hole. Okay, and now insert your needle from outside to inside, then from inside to outside, and make 7 stitches in total. And I'm using just front loop, it will look better. And this is invisible closing, so I recommend you use yarn needle and close the hole with this way. You can see it's invisible. And now just hide the tail inside the head of mouse. Okay, and embroider and shaping of face and attaching everything together will be in another part of this tutorial. Now let's make arms. Use 5mm crochet hook, chenille yarn with the same color as the head, and start with magic ring. And then 6 single crochets into the magic ring. I always make chain 1 and then single crochets into the magic ring. So I have to make 5 single crochets into the magic ring because I count the chain as single crochet. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Tighten the magic ring, and in my case I have to join the round with a slip stitch in the first stitch, not in chain. And next round start in the same stitch and make first single crochet. Use stitch marker and make 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. And in this round we have to make 2 single crochets in each stitch all the way around. So you will increase every stitch. At the end of this round you should have 12 stitches. In next round I'm going to increase in the first stitch and in the last stitch. So increase at the beginning, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. I have 1 and 2 single crochets in the same stitch, then 1 single crochet in the next 10 stitches, and 2 single crochets into the last stitch. Okay, in next 2 rounds we have to make just 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So it will be 2 rounds without increase, without change. Now it's time for decrease. So decrease at the beginning. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. And this section you have to make 4 times in total. So now this is second decrease. In next stitch, 1 single crochet. This is third decrease. In next stitch, 1 single crochet, and last decrease of this round. In next stitch, 1 single crochet, and you have 2 stitches left. So make 1 single crochet in these 2 stitches. Okay, and now it's gonna be easy because we are going to make just 1 single crochet in each stitch around and make 10 rounds in total. Okay, make 2 arms and stuff each arm with hollow fiber. In lower part of the arm, put lot of hollow fiber, stuff the paw firmly, and rest of arm leave without stuffing. Okay, see you at the next part. Bye.